Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about the 4 main ingredients to help you in reducing fatigue. First of all, before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed, we do daily videos talking about health and wellness tips and tricks. Let's get started for the first ingredient for the day to help in reducing fatigue, tiredness, lack of energy. And we have a ingredient that is all natural, that's been used in recent studies, and its effects are great for supplying the body with energy. We have ginseng. Ginseng has been used for anyone suffering from fatigue for a very long time. It is available in powdered form, it's available in supplement form. You need to make sure that if you use a ginseng supplement, that it contains extracts standardized for ginsensoid content. So for example, the best type of ginseng to use is either the Korean or the Panax ginseng. Apart from that, you can take it according to the instructions. Please make sure that you consult your doctor before you take any supplements. Now, what ginseng does, all forms of ginseng, whether that was a Siberian, Panax, Korean, what it really does is it stimulates the nervous system, and it helps your body to protect your body from stress. And now stress can be very detrimental to the health. Make sure that you do not take ginseng if you have high blood pressure. Please always consult with your medical practitioner before using any other supplement. Apart from that, our second mineral for the day is magnesium. Magnesium is amazing for helping to replenish the body with energy, to helping fight fatigue as well. You can take it in supplement form. You can also take it as a magnesium oil that can be applied topically on the body, and it's absorbed better that way. Now, it plays an important role in changing the protein, fat and carbohydrates into energy sources. Now, if you do have a magnesium deficiency, however mild it is, however strong or mild it is, it can cause fatigue in some people. So please bear that in mind as well. Our third ingredient for the day is Jingo. Jingo is an amazing ingredient that helps to improve blood flow to the brain. So this will make you feel more alert, more awake, and less fatigued and tired. You need to make sure that you always use the standardized form of Jingo in order to benefit from its great attributes. Next, we have carnitine. Is amazing, and it is a form of amino acid because it helps to fuel the activity of the mitochondria, the cell components that produce the energy. So you can find it in supplement form, but you can also find it in food sources as well. Now, try to bear in mind that taking a supplement form does work much quicker if you really need that kind of strong, fast way to combat fatigue. Lastly, we have coenzyme Q10. Now, coenzyme is a substance that is produced by the body, and it also does help the mitochondria make energy the same way that the carnitine does. So you can take it in supplement form. You can take it whether that was tablets or capsules. Make sure to always read the instructions. Make sure to always consult with your medical practitioner. Now, when is the best time to take coenzyme Q10? Well, that's basically, it is better absorbed when you take it along with food, along with your main meal. It can take about 8 weeks before you notice any effects with coenzyme Q10, but the effects are profound and the effects are quite amazing. If you do decide to go with the food sources with coenzyme Q10, you can also opt to include more natural oils and nuts as well. We've come towards the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate every single one of you. Take care and have a great